Good morning, dear students. Already we learned in our last class about physical quantities and measurement. Do you remember physical quantity? What is physical quantity? Something that can be measured. Yes. What is measurement? The determination of the size, quantity or capacity of an object. Is it? Are you clear that? What is unit? A fixed quantity used as a standard of measurement is called a unit. Do you remember that? And also we studied about SI units. How we have to write the SI units. We studied the rules. Is it? Yes. Today we are going to study about measurement of length. Okay children, measurement of length. What is length? The distance between the ends of an object. The distance between the ends of an object. For example, the length of a scale is the distance between the two ends of the scale. This is one end, this is the another one end. The length of a table is the distance between the two ends of the table. The length of the book is distance between the two ends of the book. Okay. The units of length is meter. What is the unit of length? The unit of length is meter. In symbol we have to write m. What is length? The distance between the ends of an object. The distance between the ends of an object. What is the unit of length? Unit of length is meter. What is the symbol of meter? It is m. Next, for measuring very small lengths used to smaller units. Okay, for measuring very small lengths used to smaller units. What are they? That is centimeter and millimeter. These are the smaller units, centimeter and millimeter. So, these smaller units are called sub-multiples of meter. What is that? Sub-multiples of meter. These are the smaller units. Next, for measuring large lengths used to bigger units. For measuring large lengths used to bigger units. That is kilometer. Okay, that is kilometer. Multiples of meter. The bigger units are called multiples of meter. Two types of meter. One is smaller units. Another one is bigger units. Smaller units are centimeter and millimeter. These are called sub-multiples of meter. And bigger units are kilometer. This is called multiples of meter. For example, the distance of your school from home is 2 km rather than 2000 meter. 2 km is equal to 2 km we have to convert into meter. Kilometer we have to convert into meter. 2 km is equal to 2000 meter. How it came? Already we know the formula. 1 km is equal to 1000 meter. Is it? So, 2 km is equal to 2 into 1000 meter. So, 2 into 1000. We have to multiply 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 meter. So, 2 km is equal to 2000 meter. Similarly, the thickness of the pencil tip. Thickness of the pencil tip. How we have to consider this? This is 2 millimeter. Okay. In meter, 2 millimeter is equal to 0.002 meter. 2 millimeter is equal to 0.002 meter. Already we know this formula. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. Is it? 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 1000 meter. So, 2 millimeter is equal to 1 by 2000 meter. So, we have to divide this 2000. So, 0.002 meter. Do you know this? Okay. Next, the standard unit to define smaller units and bigger units. The standard units, which are the standard units? This is meter. Meter is the standard unit. The standard unit to define smaller units and bigger units. Smaller units and bigger units. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. This is the formula. You have to remember this formula. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. These are the standard units to define smaller units and bigger units. What is length? The distance between the ends of an object. What is the unit of length? Unit of length is meter. The symbol is m. Listen here. Here some multiples and sub-multiples of meters are there. Okay, multiples and sub-multiples of meter. What are multiples? That is the bigger unit. Sub-multiples are called smaller units. So this is unit, symbol, relation with meter. Unit, symbol, relation with meter. These are the multiples of unit. These are the sub-multiples of unit. First one is kilometer. Okay, kilometer. What is the symbol of kilometer? km. Then 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Next hectometer. Hectometer. What is the symbol of hectometer? hm. Relation with meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Next decameter. What is the symbol of decameter? dam. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. Next units, sub-multiples. These are the bigger units, sub-multiples. Next is decimeter. Okay, decimeter. What is the symbol of decimeter? dm. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter. Next is centimeter. The symbol of centimeter is cm. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Next, millimeter. The symbol of millimeter is mm. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. Now from these units, how we will get other multiples of units? We will see now some examples. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then how we have to separate this 1000 meter? 10 into 100 meter. See, 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. Is it? 10 into 100 equal to 1000. So, again we have to write 10 into, instead of 100, what is the formula? What is the formula of this? 1 hectometer. Listen, we know that 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. 100 meter equal to 1 hectometer. So, instead of 100 meter, we have to use 1 hectometer. Now, 10 into 1 hectometer is equal to 10 hectometer. What is the answer now? 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. Listen, this formula, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. From this 1000 we have to separate the two numbers. 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. So we have to write 10 same. Then instead of 100 we have to write 1 hectometer. Listen, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. So instead of 100 meter we have to write 1 hectometer is equal to 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 10 hectometer. Another one example. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. How we have to separate this? 10 into 10 meter. Okay, 10 into 10 meter. Here, 10 we have to write here. 10 meter. 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. From this formula, 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. So, instead of 10 meter, we have to write 1 decameter. Okay. Here, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 10 decameter. So, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter. Listen, we have to use inches and feet to measure length. Okay, we have to use inches and feet to measure the length. The symbol for inch is IN. The symbol for inches is IN. The symbol of feet is FT. The symbol of feet is FT. Here some formulas are there. 12 inches equal to 1 foot. 12 inches equal to 1 foot. The feet is the plural form of foot. Okay, feet is the plural form of foot. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 foot equal to 30.5 centimeter. 1 foot is equal to 30.5 centimeter. You should remember this formula. Listen children, we have to solve this problem now. Sam walked 2 kilometers alone. Then he met his friend and walked about 0.5 kilometers more with him to the national park. How many meters did Sam walk altogether? We have to solve this problem. Okay, first solution. Listen here. Total distance Sam walked. Total distance Sam walked. Listen here. First he walked 2 kilometers. Again he walked with his friend. Okay. Again he walked with his friend 0.5 kilometers. We need total distance. Total distance Sam walked. So we have to add these two numbers. Okay, 2.5 kilometers. How many kilometers he walked? Sam walked 2.5 kilometers. Here question is how many meters did Sam walk altogether? So here answer is in kilometer. We have to convert kilometer into meter. Is it? So that what is the formula of this? 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. We have to use this formula here. So 2.5 kilometer equal to 2.5 into 1000 is equal to 2500 meter. Okay, 2.5 kilometer equal to 2.5 into 1000 equal to 2500 meter. How many meters distance he walked? Sam walked 2500 meter. Listen children, this is the second problem. Kala planted rose plants along both sides of the footpath to her home, which is 0.05 kilometer long. How many meters she would have planted altogether? First solution. Listen, Kala planted rose plants along both sides of the footpath. One side she has planted 0.05 kilometer. So both sides means 0.05 kilometer plus 0.05 kilometer. Total distance Listen here, total distance Kala planted rose plants is equal to 0.05 kilometer plus it has both sides. Is it? Along both sides of the footpath. So 0.05 kilometer plus 0.05 kilometer. We have to add these two numbers. It's 0.1 kilometer. How we have to add? Do you know? 0.05 plus 0.05. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Here 1. 1 0 plus 0. So 1.0. So 0.1. 0.1 kilometer. See the question. How many meters she would have planted altogether? We have to write the answer in meter. So this kilometer we have to convert into meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 0.1 kilometer equal to 0.1 kilometer into 1000 is equal to 0.1 kilometer into 1000 equal to 100 meter. We have to multiply these numbers. We will get the 100 meter. Okay. So total distance Kala would have planted altogether. What is the number of this? What is the answer? 100 meter. Listen children. Today we have studied two problems and measurement of length. Okay, you should clear about that. Yes. Next class we have to see the next topic. Okay children. Thank you.